Namaste friends, welcome to my channel Prep for Mechanical. Today we will discuss important questions related to mechanical engineering. Our first question is H7G6 fit provided on an assembly is. The options are an interference fit, a transition fit, a clearance fit, a non-standard fit. The answer is a clearance fit. Here, H7G6 represents clearance fit, in which H represents fundamental deviation of hole, 7 represents IT grade for the hole, G represents fundamental deviation of shaft, 6 represents IT grade for shaft. Our next question is the pressure head loss expressed by fluid flow due to friction in a pipe reduces with. The options are increased length of pipe, increased diameter of pipe, decreased length of pipe, both B and C. The correct option is both B and C is that increased diameter of pipe and decreased length of pipe. According to Darcy-Weisbach formula, head loss is equals to 4 times the coefficient of friction is that F into length of pipe is that L into velocity square is that V, which is the velocity of the fluid, divided by 2 into gravity is that G into diameter of pipe is that D. Thus, head loss is directly proportional to length and inversely proportional to diameter. So, with increase in length of pipe, head loss increases, and with increase in diameter of pipe, head loss decreases. Our next question is, if you plot shear strain versus shear graph for a Newtonian fluid, the shape of the curve will be. The options are straight line, elliptic, hyperbolic, parabolic. The correct option is straight line. Our next question is, which of the following is correct for a body in simple harmonic motion? The options are acceleration is proportional to displacement from mean position. Velocity is minimum at the mean position. Acceleration is maximum at the mean position, or none of the above. The correct option is acceleration is proportional to displacement from mean position. Our next question is, which of the following is true about amount of heat flow in unit time by conduction? The options are decreases with increase in area of body, increases with increase in area of body, increases with increase in thickness of body, decreases with increase in temperature difference between phases of the body. The correct option is increases with increase in area of body. Our next question is, when a beam is subjected to a bending moment, the strain in a layer is dash the distance from the neutral axis. The options are equal, inversely proportional, directly proportional, independent of. The correct option is directly proportional. Our next question is, a body falls freely from rest from the top of a tall cliff. The distance it traveled in the first second is. Here G is given, which is equal to 10 meter per second square. The options are 9.8 meter, 10 meter, 5 meter, 1 meter. The correct option is 5 meter. Let us solve this numerical. Here initial velocity is that u equals to 0, t equals to 1 second, g equals to 10 meter per second square. We know that s equals to ut plus half gt square. where s equals to distance traveled in particular time interval t. Here u equals to 0, so ut equals to 0, hence s equals to half gt square, which is equals to half into 10 into 1 square equals to 5 meter. So distance traveled equals to 5 meter. Our next question is, a rectangular block is resting inside a circular tunnel as shown. The reactions at the contacts X and Y are directed. The options are along XY, perpendicular to XY, through the center of mass of the block, through the center of the circular tunnel. The correct option is through the center of the circular tunnel. Let us solve this. Here in this picture we can see the mass block, rectangular mass block and the circular tunnel. The mass block touches the tunnel at X and Y, so reaction Rx and Ry will be perpendicular to the point X and Y respectively and the tangent which passes through these points. So the perpendicular from the tangent always passes through the center. Hence the reaction force will be passes through the center of the tunnel. Our next question is, a rotating fan completes 1200 revolutions every minute. If the tip of the blade is at a radius of 0.7 meter, then the blade tip speed is, take pi equals to 22 by 7. The options are 44 meter per second, 22 meter per second, 66 meter per second, 88 meter per second. The correct option is 88 meter per second. Let us solve this numerical. Here RPM is given as 1200 RPM. Radius is given as 0.7 meter and the value of pi is given as 22 by 7. So fan's blade tip speed will be equals to 2 pi n r divided by 60 meter per second. By solving this equation, we can get the answer as 88 meter per second. Our next question is, in a closed thermodynamic system undergoing a change of state, if Q is the amount of heat transferred to the system, W the amount of work done by the system, and delta E is the change in the internal energy of the system, then which of the following expressions are correct? The options are Q minus W equals to delta E, Q plus W equals to delta E, W minus delta E equals to Q, W minus Q equals to delta E. The correct option is Q minus W equals to delta E. So as we know that heat transferred is equals to work done plus change in internal energy. So Q equals to delta E plus W. By solving this equation, we can get Q minus W equals to delta E. So at last, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video and for more videos. Thank you.